What's up, y'all? It's your girl T, and I'm back at it with another video. I'm here to give y'all the tea. You know, I got my lip gloss line that I am about to launch soon, and I just created this lip gloss that I have on. I decided to call it Poppin' Pink. Poppin' Pink. And I just made them. And before we get into this video, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know what y'all think about this color. Okay, so I'm starting off with 2 bowls. 1, 2. Got some gloves. Got my spoon for mixing. Got my Versagel. Syringe. And some of the different colors that I'll be using. I got my oils. I got everything here to make lip gloss. This is going to be my first time making lip gloss on camera. So bear with me. Hands are already washed and clean. Off with mixing my color. I love this pink. Y'all can't really see. So, and just keep mixing. This is my first time doing it this way. I normally mix my base, the Versagel, with the oils. And then I add the coloring and everything in. I'm just trying to see if I can break up all of the things called mica. I'm just trying to make sure I can break all of it up before I add it in. Now I'm going to add my base. See? I think I'm going to need some more oil. So I got my gel, Versagel in here. I'm going to add a little oil if I need some more product, or not product, TKB. I will use some more. I got another packet here, but I just ordered another one by me being on the last one in it. Anyway, let's see. It's kind of look like, I didn't even add no product to it. I just used a spoon to stir. Kind of look like a cotton candy. Like a cotton candy pink. It's my first time doing this color, y'all. The only colors that I did was like, already is like clear. And I did that secret. I'm going to call it secret. Where did I put it? So I did clear. This one's going to be crystal clear. And then I also did the secret. It's so pretty on. I'm going to put a picture. I'm going to put a picture up. Like I had wanted to do like my lip gloss line and everything like last year. Let me tell y'all, that shit was like an epic fail. Cause I didn't know, I didn't know. I knew, of course, I needed the Versagel and stuff, but my butt didn't get I didn't have no oil or nothing. It was so thick and sticky. It was just like, baby girl, what are you doing? This is not it. I was just like, what the heck? But it's cool. I'm getting to it though, you know. I'm gonna add a little more. It's like a hot pink. Hot girl summer. Hot girl summer. So you just want to make sure, of course, that you stir everything in and the consistency is where it needs to be. You know? You can't be having no sticky, icky lip gloss. Like, that's just not popping. You know, your lip gloss gotta be popping. So I have 2 different tubes. I didn't even let y'all know. So like, of course, I get my syringes and I get most of my stuff off Amazon. My pipettes. Syringes I get off Amazon. My pipettes I get off Amazon. My oils I get off Amazon. I ordered some squeeze tubes, and I had ordered some wine tubes, but I don't know if I'm going to use these. I found a vendor. I think I'm just going to go with that vendor and order from them instead. I don't know. I don't really care for those wines like that. But, you know, I'm going to make it work. We're going to make it do what it do, baby. We're going to make it do what it do. Look at that. That's how you want it to be. You don't want no thick ass lip gloss on your lips, you know. Okay, so I take this little end piece off. Take that piece off, and I'm gonna cut this part first. I'm gonna cut this part first. I'm gonna put this on the end of my syringe. I'm gonna cut a little bit off down here. I'm gonna get a couple squeeze tubes out. And I'm just gonna start filling. I should use the rest of this. I think I am. There he goes, crying. There goes my baby. Oh, yeah, look at you. This is the messiest part to me. I haven't found an easier way to do this. I had thought I did, but nah. Where I had syringed the thing up when I put it in the, in the gloss just like this and pulled the syringe up. But I felt like a whole lot of air bubbles was like in there. So that just didn't work. And by the way, this is a 60 milliliter syringe. Like I told y'all, this part can get a little sticky.